Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you common issues with the LiNX joystick and how to fix them. So stay tuned. One of the most common problems with the LiNX joystick you're going to have is if your chair is in neutral, it will look like this. You'll have scrolling from right to left, and then your power button will be flashing red. So this means your chair is in neutral. One way to check if your chair is in neutral is if you push it, will the chair roll? If your chair is not in neutral, it will not be able to be pushed. The way to fix this is to put your neutral levers back into the lock position. The position of the neutral levers will change based on the chair. Once you're in the lock position, you can then drive the unit. Sometimes you'll have to cycle the power off and back on again after doing that, but that should allow the chair to drive again. The next problem for the LiNX joystick would be if you accidentally lock your joystick. So the way to lock the LiNX joystick is when you have the power on, you're going to hold down the power button about 4 seconds. You should have 1, 3, and 5 LEDs blinking. Then when I turn my unit on, my joystick is locked and it will not drive. This is a security feature if you want to use that. Now, if you do see this, you might have accidentally put it into lock. The way to get rid of it is to turn it on. And once you see those 3 flashing lights, you're going to press the horn button twice. 1, 2, and now we're back in drive. So that gets rid of your locked position. The final common problem we see on the LiNX joystick is if something is in the charging port. So I'm going to plug something into the charging port underneath. You'll have scrolling from left to right, and your chair will not drive if something is in the charging port. So what you would do is remove whatever's in the charging port, and then your chair should be able to drive. Again, on some units you might have to turn the power off and back on again, but that will allow your chair to drive again. So if you're having issues with your unit not working, check to see if it's in locked position, check to see if it's in neutral, or check to see if you have something in the charging port. Once again, this has been some of the common issues with the LiNX joystick. If you like this video or you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.